Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the electronics here. I'm gonna have to pull the flywheel off, and then we'll go ahead and disconnect this all. Okay, go ahead and get our flywheel puller. These should be reverse threads. Ooh, that's not good. And she's cracked. Plot thickens. Dun, dun, dun. Lovely. All right, so this bottom threaded part was a little gummed up, so I used my thread chaser here, cleaned it up. I think it's okay now, so took a little time and patience, got that. So our stator plate is cracked. We're gonna have to get another one of those. And this kill switch was replaced, but I took it off and it fell apart and it was funky anyway, so we're gonna take this off and get there and get a new one. Got the green to solid black, black with a white stripe to black with a white stripe. There you go. Okay, so here I'm removing the pegs and the peg mounting brackets. Again, we have metal hardware bolts going into aluminum. It tends to kind of bite and seize up. So this is using some heat, and my impact turned low, and this slowly worked it out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take the engine out of the frame. We're out. Okay, so my new stator plate came in from Ricky Stator. This is really nice. It's billet aluminum. It's all machined. I took the timing plate with the timing mark on here off of this one. Put it on that one. Fit right up really good. And then I just cleaned off this little bracket that holds the wiring. As you can see, it fits in there really nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and start transferring everything over. I think I'm gonna have to cut these wires and then solder them back together to get them to go through the plate here. So go ahead and get that taken care of, cleaned up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get these ready to solder. I'm gonna tin them up. Got the stator all mounted. I had to cut the wires. I'm gonna tin them and then splice them together. Okay, since I have it all apart, I'm going to go ahead and take an ohm reading on the stator coil and see what we got here. 17.6. Well, 17 point. It's moving around here. Yeah, 17.6 ohms. So that's good. Alright, so I got the stator all wired up. Now I'm just going to run a resistance check. I'm going to check the ohms of now the wire, you know, through the solder joints, through the cable. I just put a couple of little pigtails in there just to test to the end where the CDI box is. It plugs into the CDI. What were we, 7.6 before? Let's see what we're at now. Okay, so we are at 18.9. So a little increase. Not too bad though. 17.6 to 18.9, so a little over an ohm. All right, so I got it all back together. Looks good, everything lined up really good. Hopefully this will sit flush enough to lay flat. I think it will, barely. All right. Proof that Tony Stark does have a heart.
So, you want to run some tests? Run them.
Arc reactor is ready to lock and load.
Oh, wow, yeah!